Good morning from the forest. It's 6:30. It's time to pack up.
So initially we were going to camp on the spot right here to my left, but after some investigation we noticed that there's 2 dead trees just to my right, and we were directly in the path of the dead trees if they fell. Never camp under a dead tree.
Welcome to our breakfast spot. Just on the outskirts of the forest. Perfect. Oh, I'm hungry.
We're eating rockelbrot, nice thick heavy bread, fills you up one slice, mustard, kip curry salad, which is a chicken curry type salad, and then we've got some French brie.
And don't forget,
Oh, the coffee.
a cuppa. It's been windy up the coast, but now here in Friesland,
Beautiful.
beautiful weather. Come to the Netherlands for its perfect weather. Sometimes on the road, when you're in need of water, you may encounter this problem. Luckily, I have a solution. I always carry one of these with me. Guess what? There's no water coming out. Take 2, huh? Success! Thanks to my magic key. We made it to Groningen. My goodness, what a big couple of days. Got more groceries. Today we're going to have a chill day. Only did about 30 something kilometers, maybe 40, maybe 50 kilometers. And we're going to have a bit of a rest day here. Good. That's all for now. See you in the morning.
Good morning from this beautiful campsite in Groningen. I'm gonna have a rest day today. Have a look around the city and explore. Should be a pretty cool town from what I've heard about it. Right now,
I'm gonna go get coffee. I'm now holding twice as much luggage on the front rack than I designed it for, but it's still holding up really good. The gears on this bike are encrusted with filth and sand from riding through the dunes. If there's any reason that I shouldn't use olive oil for the chain, please tell me in the comments. That looks good to me. Welcome back to cooking hobo style.
We're having a filled croissant for lunch today with egg and sausage and salad and good things.
Curry ketchup. Good. Welcome to Megalith Mountain, home of the fried chicken croissant. It's a good night spot. Good morning. It rained a bit last night, just really small drops of rain. It looks like a nice day.
Last night we woke up to the sound of something walking through the forest leaves, and it just, the way it walked just sounded like a predator canine type movements to us, and it sounded like away initially, and then we heard him really quietly tiptoeing back around and circling us. So quiet, just heard the odd little crack of the leaves. It was cool. It didn't get into the food, so that's good.
We are very close to hitting our second marker for Ronde van Nederland. That's the Megaliths near Drenthe. But for now, I need some coffee and some breakfast. I'm hungry.
Cool.
We've made it here to our second marker, the Megaliths near Drenthe. These megaliths are ancient burial tombs. There's quite a lot of them just spread throughout this region of Drenthe. I think we'll end the video right here in this beautiful spot. My name's Andy, thanks for watching the channel, and I'll see you in the next episode.